Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you some new products that I'm using while we are here traveling in the Philippines. So we don't often travel out of the country. So mostly we travel within the UAE, and then so of course we travel back home, which is the Philippines. And then the last time we went here with my family, it was of course, like I'm not used to everything. It's been like 10 years before we came back here and had a vacation. So that was 2019. So of course, like everything was changed. I'm used to Dubai things, how it works, this and that. You know what I mean? When you are like staying already in the country for how long, and then you go back to your home country. Of course, in that gap, everything has changes. So now here I'm going to talk about the because as I said, so from the last vacation, based on that experience, this time I prepared some products that we needed in this vacation, especially with my kids. They always have issues, for example, with the weather, this and that. So I was like, I thought of the preparation of like going here, flying here to the Philippines. I already bought some stuff that I feel like we will need it. So even in other country, actually, even when you are when you travel to other country, you're gonna need these things. I I just feel like I need to share it with you guys, so in case you're traveling, you also think about the situation of the country that you are traveling to, and then prepare the things that you need, especially if you have kids. So first of all, in any country there is a mosquito, and my kids are allergic to mosquito bites. When they get bitten, it's well becomes swollen, it's so red, and it looks like so big, and it's really like frustrating as a mom looking at your kids with all of these red bumps from the mosquito bite. So I bought this. I bought this from iHerb. It's called Badger. It's anti-bug mosquito repellent. It's like a perfume, but when you sprayed it, I feel like it's effective, because the other day that we went out, I feel like they're okay. Like they didn't tell me about mosquito bites or anything. So this is the product. It's a Badger. It's called Badger Anti-Bug Mosquito Repellent. So it's a spray. So it's like a perfume. The smell of this is kind of like lemony, citrus, citrusy smell. It doesn't. It's 95% organic ingredients plus water, so which is safe for the kids. So this is the one we're using when we go out. It's always in my bag. Like, you'll never know if we go to a park or some place that there's like bugs, I just spray it. So this is the one. And then another thing is, of course, the weather. In every country it's always different, the weather is always different, and in here, so it's same as in Dubai, it's also humid, there's humidity, and it's so uncomfortable again. Other than this one, I already bought a separate one. Like, I bought them like this, so every time we go out, especially the younger ones, he's always like giving a tantrum whenever it's too hot outside. So we are using this one. I gave it to him, so just for him to cool down. Also, I also always carry a wet wipes in my bag, so when they feel hot, I just give it to them and wipe themselves just to cool them down. Also, like going to the toilet, things like that. So wet wipes is one of the things you can see in my bag. So other than the fan, I also bought this one, which is a cooling mist. So it's for body and face. It is. It says here that it cools and refreshes the skin, perfect for all hot weather condition. So it's like this, and then you're gonna spray like that. So the water is gonna spray to your body, and it cools down. It feels like you're taking a shower. So you can, spray it inside here, just to put on your body and then use the fan. It really helps. Like, I really like this one. So this is also one of the products that it's in my bag. So other than, again, alcohol, we always have alcohol, a sanitizer in our bag. So I always put sanitizer or alcohol in my bag. And also, this is one of my favorite. Like, it's an SPF and it's in a spray. There's no white cast. There's no, you cannot see it in your face. Like, it's not like a lotion that you applied it and you become sticky. No, this is like, see, if I'm gonna spray it in here, just like that, it's like an air, and there's no trace of it. It's so cool because it's just in a small container. Although I can say it is expensive, but I feel like it's worth it. It is already 50 SPF. It's the high protection. It protects you from PA, UVB, and UVA, and it's also antioxidant. This is from La Roche. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly. It's La Roche, and it has like how do you say it? A little citrusy and powdery smell. So it's invisible, easy application. So whenever you are out, for example, you're at the restaurant and then suddenly after you dine, you go out and it's in the sun, just use this one. It protects. Also, I also use this for my kids. And of course, we always need SPF. It's anti-aging. So I feel like this is a must-have. You're traveling or not, you should have this in your bag. So this is really a must-have in your bag, whether you're traveling or just going to work. I really love this one. So that's it. Those are, oh, last one again. So when you are traveling abroad or traveling somewhere, it's also important to take a probiotic. You will never know, like a certain food, you ate something and suddenly you have stomach problem. Our last experience, that's why this time we brought a probiotics. This one, it's called Protix. It's prebiotic. It's really helps. It also helps with your digestion and gas in your tummy. It's kind of like it helps also, especially when you're on vacation, you eat a lot of things. Probiotics is important to protect your gut. So this one, so make sure to get one as well when you travel. It's prebiotic this one is pre-probiotic. It's really good. I already removed it from the box just so it's easy to put it in my pouch. These are the new things that I added to my pouch, a travel pouch. Whenever we go out, I have my big bag and I carry all of this. It's not that heavy, it's fine, and besides, if it makes everyone comfortable, I'm fine with it. And also, I wanted to show you again, I'm not sure if you've seen my other vlog. As I said, on my vacation, I'm using the Parfums de Marly Delina. So this is my signature scent for my vacation. So you know that thing that when you smell something you feel like vacation. So this is my signature scent for this 2023. It's Parfums de Marly by Delina. Oh, sorry, Delina by Parfums de Marly. It's really good. It has again like a citrusy smell with a dry down of powder scent. It's really good. You must try it. So this is it. I guess that's all for today. I just showed you everything I have in case you wanted to take it as a basis when you go travel, when you go somewhere. These are the products that I feel like important when you go out, especially if you have kids. Other than the wet wipes, tissues, and also some sanitizers, I feel like these are very important, especially if you have like grumpy kids when it comes to weather and how they feel of everything. These are the important things that you should need. So again, this has been Belle. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next vlog.